Now look at it. Looks a lot better, huh, with the light on. Yeah. All right, we got a, I don't know what that is. It looks like an eagle, if you ask me. Looks like an American eagle.
Or baby penguin.
With 2 chocolates. How about that? Diane thinks it's a baby penguin. I don't think it's a penguin, man. What do you think? You think it's a penguin? I think so. That beautiful background. Badass. Check it out, guys. That is the backboard of our bed, the mural on the wall, but it allows you to light it up, and it's got a light that shines on it. It looks really, really cool. Hope you see this in 4K. Oh yeah, baby, that looks cool. Disney treasure. All right, Yimmy, you gave me an elephant. What are you trying to tell me, man? I'm eating too much? Is that what you're trying to tell me, Yimmy? Look at this elephant. These guys are good at doing tail animals. Yimmy's good. He's giving us an eagle and an elephant. Now look at the back. Let me turn on the light. He has created a unknown species. Yimmy has. I don't know what that is, but if I was to guess what it is, I would say it's a snail. What do you think it is, Diane? I'm thinking a snail. There's the 2 little things up there, and it's got the
Conch shell.
snail or something. Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Fish.
I don't know.
A tail.
It's
Like
something.
a, what do you call it?
Something, yeah. But there you go, another tail animal. Tail animal of the day. Diane says it's a bullfrog. I said it looked like a snail. I don't know what it looks like. I guess it is a bullfrog. I mean, it looks pretty cool, right? Got our little chocolates there. There you go. All right, so this is how we do it in our stateroom. Get all our hats hanging. We're just using these little hooks, little magnetic hooks. They work great for that. We got a hat almost for every day, huh? Here's my pink hat that I got. Those of you that saw me cruising around with a pink hat on, leave a comment below from Tortola and my Pink Panther hat. My Avenger hat, my Mickey Cruise Line hat, my Castaway Key 5K hat, my Lookout K hat, my St. Thomas hat, my Mickey Authentic hat, my Mickey Mouse 28 hat. I probably should have wore that to 1928. And then of course, hey man, this is my favorite one, my Mickey USA hat. And they don't make those anymore. Okay, so I'm sitting here having morning coffee at 7:30 in the morning, and I look down the carpet and I'm going, is that a hidden Mickey? So I start looking around the carpets. And sure enough, it's hidden Mickeys. There's another one right here. And there's another one over there. You can see him right there. Hidden. Tail animal of the day. Looks like a rabbit. Or something of that nature. I'm pretty sure it's a rabbit. What do you think? Rabbit for sure. Disney treasure docked in Puerto Rico.